The main reason that many of the ships are still not even taking them up on that is many ships have been shot down. Multiple tankers moving through the strait have been, in fact, attacked and sunk. Even with, I don't know if they've been under U.S. escort or not, but the insurers are not, they've pulled insurance. And whatever they are providing for insurance is absolutely astronomical at this point to move through that strait. So most people, they've just stopped shipping. I mean, you can literally look at the traffic. There for the first couple days, people were still trying to chance it and like sneak through, but there is a huge backlog of tankers. The traffic through the strait there is down, to like 8% of what it normally is. So there still is a little bit moving through there, but it's not anywhere close to what it needs to be, and oil has already been impacted, and I think will continue to be impacted. I think we're going to see, back over 12,000 yen tonight, and potentially even higher. If we crest that 12,500 yen up to 13,000 yen, the Bank of Japan is going to have to move with their interest rates, and that's what we're waiting on, because that's what's going to cause the reverse carry trade to unwind and all of the dominoes that I've been talking about to fall. So I know people, it was like, the strait's closed, no, it's open, now it's closed, now it's open again. It doesn't matter at this point. The damage is done, and the wheels are already in motion. The train has left the station. So if things continue to pay out at the rate that they are, we could see the reverse carry trade unwind this week, which would be wild. Now, could they push it to next week? Sure, but I don't know that they could push it much further along than that. I don't know what they're waiting on, but I do think they're waiting on something to let this thing run. Bank of Japan also said that they could implement XRP and the XRP ledger for their payments and their infrastructure in the very near future. It would be interesting if the Bank of Japan came out and said, we're raising interest rates and we're rolling out XRP across our banking infrastructure. You would see huge amounts of FOMO move into XRP. I'll say this also, a little birdie mentioned to me that there might be some exciting news coming out from Ripple in the coming days. I have no idea what the news is. I just heard that there might be something really cool that's put out. So we'll see if that's the case or not. You never know with these deals. There's lots of hearsay out there, but came from a fairly credible source. So we'll see what actually comes out.